In this video, we can talk about top 5 Article Forge alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives Code channel. Today our video is about the best alternatives to Article Forge. We will explore the top 5 alternatives of Article Forge, including Jasper, Copy AI, Word, Frase Io, an AI writer that will explicitly meet your article generation needs and catapult your content to new heights. Let's get a brief info about these alternatives. Let's start with Jasper AI. Jasper is designed to assist and serve you in your copywriting endeavors as your creative writing companion. It offers features like Chrome extension, SEO-optimized content, brand voice and memory, and real-time updates. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive features, Jasper makes it easy to generate unique and informative content for various niches. One of the standout features of Jasper is its unique capability of generating AI-generated images, which significantly enhances the visual appeal of the content. First up, we have Copy AI. Copy AI is an excellent tool that stands out with its AI-powered content generation, allowing you to effortlessly create engaging and high-quality content. It offers features like tone checker, rephraser, multi-channel campaign, and sentence formatting. From blog posts to product descriptions, Copy AI covers a wide range of writing styles and formats, enabling you to produce professional content efficiently. And one of the standout features of Copy AI is its ability to adapt a writing style based on your input. Moving on, we have Word AI. Word AI is a well-known content spinning platform that assists you in rewriting and generating unique content. It offers exclusive features like bulk rewrite, code view, HTML compatibility, and API access. It is a reliable choice for authors and content creators who prefer a familiar and robust writing environment. There's a standout feature of Word, which is its seamless integration with other Microsoft Office applications that would enable you to enhance your articles with visual elements. The fourth alternative on our list is Frase Io. Frase Io is an AI-powered content optimization tool that helps you create SEO-friendly content. It offers features like content analytics, outline builder, and content editor. With Frase Io, you can improve your article's readability, relevance, and even search engine visibility. And one of its standout features is its content briefs that provide detailed outlines and relevant sources, empowering you to produce comprehensive articles. Last but not least, we have AI Writer. Writer is an AI writing tool that aims to simplify the content creation process and offers various writing modes to cater to different needs. It offers features like SEO Analyzer, text editing, and video channel descriptions. Whether you need a blog post, a product review, or a social media update, AI Writer simplifies the content creation process. However, one of its standout features is its content personalization feature that enables you to customize the generated articles for specific target audiences, ensuring that your content resonates with your readers. Compared to Article Forge, Jasper focuses on creating engaging and well-structured articles, ensuring that the content produced is not only unique but also captures the attention of readers. Copy AI stands out with its versatility as a writing assistant and generates persuasive and compelling articles across various writing styles and formats. Word provides a familiar and robust writing environment and allows for extensive formatting options. Frase Io assists users in creating well-researched and SEO-friendly articles and empowers you to optimize your content for better readability. Lastly, AI Writer focuses on content personalization and allows you to tailor the generated articles for specific target audiences. Among these alternatives, we would recommend Frase Io as the best alternative to Article Forge if you're seeking a tool that encompasses both content generation and optimization. Frase Io's AI-powered content optimization capabilities, coupled with comprehensive topic suggestions and content briefs, enable users to create high-quality, well-optimized articles that resonate with readers and rank well in search engines. We hope this in-depth comparison has helped you gain insights into the unique features and differences of these Article Forge alternatives. If you would like to explore any other alternative besides the one that we have suggested the best, please go ahead. In the end, it all depends on your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.